Hi, welcome back. So let's try to break the answer for this question. Let's try to reveal. Let's read the question one more again. 23rd question. Answer, where is the calculation type and reference and condition type is maintained in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Basically, the question is sounds about where this configuration will be controlled. Okay. So let's see the options for this question. Okay. So access sequence is all about the combination of your pricing tables. Okay, that means your pricing requirements. It is nowhere related to the options. And condition record is the outcome of your condition type definition. There you cannot able to find it. Condition update, this is a separate functionality. And condition type is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Okay, there you can able to find those two. Okay, calculation type and all the stuff, and the condition supplement and the pricing procedure, all these are the wrong answers. Okay, the right answer is D. So the calculation type and reference condition type is available in condition type definition. The correct answer is D for this. Okay, so I think you came to know the answer. Okay, if you like this video, you can like this, and if you want something, you can able to comment in the comment section. I'll try to find my best to give an answer. Okay, depends on my busy. This is my YouTube channel. Currently I'm holding 700 plus videos. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe my channel. And when it comes to this, currently I'm holding 5,500 students. Within this, my top course sales and distribution 108 hours, and apart from that, other real-time courses available, getting master right functional specification and specific training and idoc. And if you are interested in pricing advanced level course also, around 20 plus courses available. I'm just providing these links below of the video. Okay, currently these prices are showing high, but generally if you have a flash sales, the courses will comes around 400 to 600 rupees in between the price, and you can utilize that an opportunity. If you really want, you can subscribe these courses and you can utilize this an opportunity. I'm just providing in the YouTube description box of this video. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.